On today's episode, we're gonna be restoring soft touch plastics on both of my cars. As you can see, they're very nasty and peeling. Old. Let's get to it. Well, actually, BMW is very simple. Just in clips. I've already removed one of the panels from the back. So I'm gonna leave them parts soaking in hot water for half an hour or so, and in the meantime I'm gonna respray them handle covers. They're a bit scratched up, but
you remember my love. You sold your soul for.
well, it's all been sanded down now. I'm gonna use some plastic primer and then paint it. So I let that primer to dry. I sand it down a bit to make it smooth again, and I'm gonna be using some silver wheel paint. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. If not, I can always wrap them or just buy new ones. They're not that expensive.
It's fucking over and done. My love is burnt out. My love is burnt in the sun.
Welcome back to my cave. This is where I normally hide when my wife starts talking very loud for no reason. Well, here is the results of that coating. It wasn't straightforward as I thought, but I think it has to do. Some of the parts came off very easy and everything, and others not so easy. I just removed what I could, what was coming off very easily, and the rest I sanded down with the sandpaper just to make sure it's smooth. It's not gonna leave sharp edges. Now I'm gonna apply probably 4 or 5 coats of plastidip. Again, I'll be using air compressor and an air gun, but you can do it with the can of plastidip. Well, I've got very different results. From BMW front trim pieces, they're perfect. I removed all that coating, so they're very smooth, very even. Qashqai door handles were pretty good, much better than it was. Not 100%, but it's good. And BMW from rear trim pieces, this one got some kind of reaction, so it just bubbled up. So I'm gonna just remove all plastidip and recoat it. Another side, I would say it's much better than it was. Not as good as front ones, didn't get no reactions, but you can see some of the edges. I'll see how it will go with this one when I will be stripping it. and I might redo both of them. So here it is, final result. I'm quite happy with them, how it turned out. Color doesn't match 100% for handle covers, them silver bits, to the rest of the interior, but it does look much better without them scratches. And the plastidip bit, yeah, nice to the feel. I did apply some interior quick detailer, so it's not rubbery, so it's a bit more slick. So here is the Qashqai. Here is BMW. Looks like brand new. I'm well pleased. Well, depends how long it's gonna last. Is it until kids go into the car? Hopefully longer than that. I did take the seat out. I need to clean behind, but years of sweets behind it. But that trim looks very good. Well, much better than it was previously. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share. I'll see you soon, guys. Ta-da.